Today we will be discussing limits. The first example we have is the limit as x approaches 2 of the function 3. Since there is no variable, we may conclude that this limit simply equates to 3. For the second example, we have the limit as x approaches 2 of the function 3x. Since we are determining the limit at that point, we can substitute x with 2 and find that this limit equates to 6. The third example is the limit as x approaches 2 in the function 5x squared. Once again, we evaluate the limit at that point, and therefore substituting will result in 5 times 2 to the power 2, which is 5 times 4. This limit is then equal to 20. The fourth limit is slightly more difficult. The limit at x approaches 3 of the function negative 7x squared plus x plus 10. We once again substitute x with the value that is being approached. When you do all the algebra, you find that the limit equates to negative 50. I am working on a video about the limits when x approaches infinity, so stick around for that.